Atlassian Access, what is it? So I get asked this question a lot, particularly people who already have Atlassian products and they're seeing the bill. They're paying for Jira software, they're paying for Jira Service Management, Confluence, but there's something else on the bill called Atlassian Access. Well, what's that? Well, Atlassian Access is quite confusingly named. So it's not to give you access to the Atlassian suite of tools. Atlassian Access is an add-on around security. So particularly, it lets you do things like your directory, like LDAP, Active Directory, for authentication. So instead of logging on with a Atlassian Cloud account, you can use your Office 365, for instance. It also lets you do quite a lot around security. One of the big use cases is it lets you, on cloud, it lets you enforce two-factor authentication on users. So if you don't have Atlassian Access, users can choose if they want to use two-factor authentication when they set up their Atlassian account. You, as the owner of Atlassian in your organization, you've no way of enforcing that technically. So you can do it through behavior, you can get them to say they've done it, but you can't enforce that. Atlassian Access lets you do that. So anybody logging in using your domain that you email users, if they're Tribus IT, for instance, their email address will be tribusit.co.uk. Atlassian Access lets me enforce two-factor authentication on all users logging in to Atlassian Cloud anywhere with tribusit.co.uk. So in order to do that, there's some technical setups. You have to prove that you own the domain by updating a DNS record. It's relatively simple to do. But that's what Atlassian Access gives you. So it's not access to a tool. It's a confusingly named security add-on.